Hi everyone, today's back to school DIY project is a water bottle pencil case and marble painted pencils. Let's start with the pencil case. And for this project you'll need 2 large water bottles, a zipper long enough to go around the diameter of your water bottles, a marker, scissors, and a craft knife. Be careful when using the knife, they are very sharp. We'll start by prepping our water bottles and let's remove the labels. If your water bottles are like mine and the label is a sticker, you may also need something to remove the sticky residue. Once that's done, we're going to take our marker and draw a line around the top of the bottle where the bottle becomes the widest or where the body of the bottle starts. Next, on our other water bottle, we'll draw a line on this one too, about 3 inches or so up from the bottom. Now we'll carefully take our craft knife and cut into the bottle all along the line we drew to cut the top off. Then repeat on the other bottle to cut the bottom off. You may need your scissors to cut off any rough or jagged edges. For this next step, we'll need a hot glue gun and glue sticks, and we'll use the hot glue to stick on our zipper to the bottle. I'm going to start with a bigger piece of water bottle and start gluing the zipper on, starting at the end of the zipper. Make sure when placing your zipper you are only gluing down the fabric edging and not the actual zipper's teeth. Also double check the zipper is right side up and you are gluing it with the zipper pull on the outside. Once we've finished gluing down that side of the zipper, we'll need to unzip the zipper to make gluing the other side easier. I'm starting at the end of the zipper again and we'll glue all the way around almost to the very end. I'm going to let the glue cool and harden a little and then zip the zipper closed to finish up gluing the end. That way we can make sure it lines up well. At the end of the zipper, I'm just going to make sure all ends are glued down and add a little more glue to the tails. And now the case is all done, let's get started on our pencils. We'll start by preparing our work surface. You want to lay out a fairly big piece of aluminum foil. Now we'll prep our pencils for painting, and for that we need some tape to cover the eraser. You'll wrap some tape around the eraser end of your pencils to keep them from getting painted. Next, we're going to put paint and colors of your choice onto the aluminum foil in a random pattern. I'm going to lay a pencil at the bottom of my work area as a guide so I know how much paint to lay down. You want to make your paint area as wide as the pencil. I'm going to start with the white paint and lay down some crossing lines and swirls, and then I'll repeat this for each color of paint I'm using. Next, we need to work out a system for drying our pencils. A couple of different ways were suggested to me. You can prop your pencils up against a box at an angle with only the eraser touching the box, or you can use some clothespins, which is the method I'm using. You'll need 2 clothespins for each pencil. You place one on the eraser end of the pencil, and if you try to set it down now, it's just going to fall over. So we're going to place a second clothespin on that one to balance it out, as you can see here. Now for the painting, you'll gently roll each pencil through the paint. After coating with paint, move it to a clean area of your aluminum foil and roll off some of the excess paint, and then set it aside to dry. Keep repeating this process until all of your pencils are painted. and then allowed to dry for a few hours or overnight. Once dry, you'll remove the clothespins. And then remove the tape from the erasers. And now you have some marble painted pencils and a fun new pencil case.